Good day, everyone. I'm Joaquin Manuel Timbol. Today, we'll be discussing about Fernando Marcelo. First of all, who is Fernando Marcelo? Fernando Marcelo born in Paco, Manila on May 20, 1892. Fernando Marcelo painted and sketched more than 10,000 pieces over his lifetime. Using natural and backlighting techniques, he was the first national artist in painting 1972 of the Philippines, and is also referred to as the Grand Old Man of Philippine art. Marcelo graduated from both Liceo de Manila Art School in 1909 and the University of the Philippines School of Fine Arts. He also graduated from UP with honors in 1914 and received a study grant in Madrid, Spain. During his stay in New York, he encountered post-war Impressionism and Cubism, which greatly his artistic style. One of the famous Fernando Marcelo painted is the making of the Philippine flag. The Making of the Philippine Flag is a masterpiece painted by Fernando Marcelo on May 28, 1898, who was one of the most important artists in the history of the painting in the Philippines. The painting shows three women we were tasked by General Emilio Aguinaldo to sew the first flag for the new republic, namely Marcela Maria de Agoncillo, on the right side, referred as the mother of the Philippine flag, with the help of Lorenza and Delfina Herbosa de Natividad, which is actually the daughter of Marcela. The Republic of the Philippines national flag, it's a bicolor horizontal flag with identical royal blue and crimson red bands and a white equilateral triangle at the host, a golden yellow sun with eight primary rays, each representing a Philippine province, sits in the middle of the triangle, as three golden yellow stars representing of the country's three major islands groups, which is Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Fernando Marcelo painted Antipolo in 1947. In this painting, it shows the culture and traditions of early Filipino by how they celebrated their fiesta in just a simple gatherings. People have unity and harmony. Antipolo Fiesta painting is relevant since this painting provides an ideas in today's generation on how our culture and traditions are being practiced by the early Filipino and how this being preserved through the years. Fernando Marcelo painted the rice planting in 1922. This painting highlights the true reflection of the Filipino soul. When Fernando Marcelo painted this work, he was guided by the deep connection to the Filipino people and their everyday lives. He have always believed that true beauty is found in simplicity, contentment, and harmony with nature. Through this painting, he wished to reflect the peaceful rhythm of rural life that he grew up witnessing and deeply cherished. Fernando Marcelo was reminded of the Philippine country, side its abundance of trees, the warmth of nipa houses, and the enduring spirit of its people. These elements represent our vibrant culture and identity. Fernando Marcelo aimed to capture not only the physical landscape but also the resilience and quiet strength of the Filipinos across generations. Summary: the paintings show how deeply connected Filipino life is to culture, history, and nature. They feel warm and personal, as if the artist wanted to protect simple moments that might be forgotten over time. I see unity in how people come together, pride in national identity, and respect for everyday work, especially in rural life. The scenes are calm yet meaningful, showing that beauty does not always come from grand events but from ordinary experiences. Overall, the paintings make us appreciate Filipino values such as harmony, resilience, and a strong sense of community. That's all. Thank you for listening.